Hey guys, I'm so glad you came to visit. I have a really easy, amazing pecan pie filling recipe. It's Thanksgiving over here. I'm making 6 pies and this is one of my favorites. It's a no-fail, like I said, it's easy to do. I have all my ingredients here. I'm gonna show you how to make it. I have my pie crust all ready to go. So let's get at it. So this is enough for a 2 pie filling. I'm gonna add 6 eggs. So if you're gonna make one, do 3 eggs. And then as soon as I get these into the bowl, I'm going to just beat them with a hand whisk. I love that I don't have to use my mixer and dirty it and have to wash it. That is always so nice. It makes it that much easier. Okay, I'm just gonna give them a nice little beat. I'm not gonna worry about beating too vigorously, just until combined. So maybe about 30 seconds. Okay, as soon as I got that put together, I will grab my sugar. This is 1/2 cup total, so 1/4 cup brown sugar and 1/4 cup white sugar for 1 crust, but I'm doing 2, so it's a 1/2 cup sugar and a 1/2 cup brown sugar. Okay, my next ingredient is my Caro syrup. So I have 1 cup of light corn syrup and 1 cup of dark corn syrup. I'm just gonna get that in there. So the 1 crust, it would be half. I always have to have 2 pecan pies. It's a hit and you have to have leftovers, so who can just make 1? Not me. Okay. And then next I have nuts. I chopped these. First, I roasted them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 7 to 10 minutes because they're so much better when they're cooked a little bit and have that roasted flavor. And then I finally chopped them on my cutting board with a chef's knife. And here we go. I'm just gonna get, 2 cups of these nuts. You just throw them in there. You just put everything together. It's super, super simple and easy. And it always comes out perfectly. Okay, that is it. Oh, I'll do my 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Don't mess around with that fake stuff. There is a huge difference. Okay, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. All right, I'm just gonna combine it. Stir it until it's all combined. Those eggs are so important. They bind it together and they gives it a nice texture. It will come out really smooth, which is very appealing when you're eating it. That texture is so satisfying. I'm gonna bring over my crust. So I rolled these out onto parchment paper. So parchment paper is just key. It makes it so much easier. I love my crust recipe. It has buttermilk in it, so it's vinegar and milk, and it gives it this amazing flaky crust that is to die for, that you're looking for in a crust. Okay, so I'm going to grab my measuring cup, and I have 2 here, so this was enough for 2 pies. I'm just gonna be evenly dispersing both of them. I'll just lift it. See how easy this is? It's gonna be so good. I've had some pecan pies that are super, super runny, but I've never had a problem with this one. Okay, that will rise a little bit. It's okay if the crust is up above the liquid because it's gonna cook in the oven and it'll be perfect. Okay, they're all ready to go. I'm gonna stick them in the oven at 375 for 45 to 50 minutes until it's no longer jiggly and it's set. It's gonna come out great. Can't wait to show you the finished product. Okay. Oh, perfect texture. Oh, look at that goodness. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. I'm speechless. So good. Go make yourself some of this pecan pie. Okay. You guys, this pecan pie is so hot right now. Literally, it's temperature hot. It's burning my fingers. What makes this video more unique and what all the other ones are lacking is me. Gotcha.